Guys, this is a very sad story. I thought this would never, make it into a Dencrn video, but my laptop died. I have no way to edit these types of videos whatsoever. Welcome back to the Dencrn channel. My name is Den. Today, I'm going to tell you guys the story on how my primary laptop died. Now, here is proof that it's literally dead. I'll even press the power button. It literally does nothing. My laptop is dead. So, what am I going to use instead? Well, lucky Dencrn viewer, it's the laptop that I've made like 4 videos on now. I'm talking about this thing, by the way. The Asus PU551LA. Released in 2013 with an Intel 4th Gen i7. Great, totally good for the time. Totally is still better than AMD's at the time. But yeah, I'm going to tell you the story on how my main laptop died. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. Oh no. Like, I'm pressing the power button, not a single light turns on. Let me get my charger. Let's go on the floor for this, because it'll just be 10 times easier. Charger is plugged in and it is on, and not a single light or anything. I don't know what to do. This has all my videos that I need to edit and stuff on it. I do have this, but like, this can run Resolve. This can run Vegas, like Sony Vegas, but that's about it. So I don't know what to do, honestly. It's not turning on at all. RIP. Well, my main laptop, it served me well for the 3+ years that I used it for. That's really annoying. I don't know what to do. I don't know how I'm editing this video. I mean, I've got this. I've got my laptop over here, my other laptop that you've seen in the Hackintosh videos and all that here on the Dencrn channel, but like, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna see if I can potentially try screen recording on this, because if so, I should be okay. But if I can't, then I really do not know. Okay, so I'm currently screen recording to see if A, I can screen record, and B, I can do multiple things at the same time, which, as you can see, most likely. I've just got a website called 99 up at the moment because I need to install some programs. So I need to install VLC, as well as every single runtime, because occasionally I will need them. Don't know when, but I do actually occasionally need them. For games, I use Steam. For photo editing, I use Adobe Photoshop, which I'll download that separately. OpenShell is great, but I'm more of a start all back kind of person. For coding, I use Visual Studio Code, as well as Notepad++ occasionally. For anti-malware stuff, I have Windows Defender. This is decent enough for most people. So yeah, OpenOffice is great, but I'm definitely more of a Microsoft Office kind of person. 7-zip because I extract a lot of files. Handbrake is useful for compressing iPhone footage, so it works with specific codecs, as well as iTunes. So we are going to get your 99. I'm going to click yes on this, and just like that, it will just create or download the individual applications one by one, which is weird because I never knew I had Sim installed until just then. VLC install failed. The system cannot find the file specified. Oh, that's wonderful. I've also got Windows Update downloading in the background as well. Oh, it's gonna crash. Here's the 800 Windows Update things that are opening now. Wonderful. This is just wonderful. Installing iTunes, and this should pretty much be done after that. And just like that, that is 99 complete. So we're going to close out of this now and just reorganize this for a second. And yeah, so screen recording is possible on this laptop. So I should be okay to record future Dencrn content, which is pretty good. So it's been a couple hours. I decided to open up my laptop and just all of a sudden, just pulling one thing out, putting it back together, just fixed it. So, happy April Fools, everyone.
My laptop wasn't actually broken. I actually just disconnected the power to it. So when you press the power button, it wouldn't actually power on at all. But don't worry, my computer's okay. Thank God I'm not having to use that, because that would have been hell, literally. So yeah, thank you all very much for watching this Dencrn video. It's a bit different from my normal content, but yeah, thanks for watching. And the next video should be the Steam Deck OS video, where I'm not going to pretty much give too much details into it. But yeah, thank you all very much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.